Assalamualaikum. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Hakimi bin Ahmad Aris. My matrix number is 01DDT21F2080 and my teammates are Muhammad Akil Nofal 01DDT21F2074, Muhammad Razik Kumaini 01DDT21F2084 and Muhammad Faris Darwish 01DDT21F2031. Today our group will be presented about our case study 2, human-computer interaction.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Razik Kumani bin Muhammad Yusri. Number matrix E01DDT21F2084. Okay, now I will present about our project that is Galaxy Eyewear Glasses. So as you can see, this structure we put first and then we make the real project. So in this project we have three interface, that is touch interface, gesture interface and sound interface. Okay, the next slide is we want to explain the function of the device. So the first is sound interface. Sound interface ni audio interface are commonly equipped with mic frames, the line input and a variety of other input option. For second is gesture interface. Gesture can originate from any bodily motion or state, but commonly originate from the face or hand. The last one is touch interface. Touch user interface are graphical user interface using a touchpad or touch screen display as a combined input and output device. Okay, so I will pass to the next one. Thank you.
For our product, which is universal design principle, is flexibility use. The design accommodates a wide range of individual preference and abilities. Low physical efforts, the design can be used efficiently, comfortably, and with a minimum of fatigue. Last one is tolerance for error. The design minimizes hazards and the adverse consequences of accidental or unintended action.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akil Nafwan bin Muhammad Zaid. My matrix number is 01DT21F2074. And now I'll continue on with advantage and disadvantage of touch interface. Now, advantages. Most touchscreens are fixed to a larger device, so there is less chance of them being removed, lost, or stolen, unlike keyboards. Disadvantages. The screen could become scratched or dirty, so it is difficult to see the option available. Now, advantages. You do not need to have a good ICT skill, such as typing, to able to use the touch interface. And disadvantages. If the screen become damaged, it might not pick up the touch command. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will be explaining question 4.0, accessibility for blind people. For 4.1, examples of technology, method, platform and etc. So I will give 3 examples. 1. A ring to read any text. 2. A touchscreen capable of creating figures and braille. And last but not least, 3D printing of children's books. For 4.2, explain the function of 4.1 for the blind people. For a ring to read any text, the ring developed by researchers at the MIT Media Lab uses an algorithm specially created to recognize words, which in turn are then sent to a program that reads them aloud. As the person moves his or her finger across the page, the device emits signal in the form of sound or vibration to prevent switching lines unintentionally. A touchscreen capable of creating figures and braille. It is a device developed by a Harvard University engineering student could offer a different solution, named FerroTouch by its creator, Katie Kagan. The device is a sort of tablet that uses a ferrofluid, a kind of liquid metal under which a matrix of electromagnet is placed, and which is then coated with a flexible surface. Then the magnet interacts with the ferrofluid to create recognizable shapes on the surface. This device would not be capable of recreating braille symbols, but it could also represent any type of pattern, from points and lines to complex shapes such as graphs, diagrams, and other figures. Last but not least, 3D printing of children's book. This project, led by researchers at the University of Colorado, aims to turn children's book into a tactile experience through the use of 3D printers. In this way, children with visual disabilities could touch these stories as their parents read them aloud. Generally, blind people do not start reading Braille until the age of 6. According to the promoters of this project, 3D printing technology can offer children and their families the opportunity to start reading at an early age, while allowing them to start exploring the world with their own hands. Okay, for the conclusion, design principles in computing guide us to the ways to build machines whose behavior which behavior are useful and meaningful in their users' community. Design principles in everyday life show schemes of a product, overall look, and complexity. People can choose space, texture, color, shape, and form. Okay, that is all from us. Thank you very much.